Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZKSync era airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So to be honest, I think so ZKSync era airdrop is almost confirmed, because if we go on Twitter and check this post over here, which was made by Fami asking when is the token. So the date was like 2nd of February 2024, and Alex, who is one of the founders of ZK Sync replied when the network is ready for decentralization. Now there is a latest tweet from Alex. So this has been made like 16 hours back, like 1 cent transactions on ZK Sync, and which is true to be honest, because I have been transacting on the ZK Sync era network, and now after the Denkan update, the gas fees are pretty low, and that's the reason why transacting on ZK Sync era is much better now as compared to the previous time before the Denkan update, where the gas fees was pretty expensive. Now he has also mentioned that with the EIP 4844, so basically this is the Denkan upgrade is now completed, and we have turned our undivided attention to the decentralization. The network belongs to the community. So I personally think that since ZK-Sync era mainnet was launched on 24th of March 2023, I think so the snapshot would be done after 3 days, which is like 24th March of 2024, hopefully I think so. And then maybe then there would be a token generation event in the future. So most probably there would be a airdrop which is expected next month, and which is pretty soon enough. So let's not lose our hopes, and hopefully this airdrop would be a decent airdrop for the community, because most of us have been waiting for very long in order to get this airdrop. And to be honest, I love transacting on the ZK Sync era network. I have purchased few meme coins here and there, and then I have aggressively bought most of the DEX tokens. Like just to name a few, like there is ZKDX, then there is Velocore, Reactor, Fusion, and many of them. And I have also invested into NFTs on the ZK Sync era network. So I personally feel that the airdrop is soon. So just wait for the official announcement, and I think so it should be done in like few days, maybe even couple of days, or maybe even like in 1 hour. You may never know. So this is all for this video, and hopefully we get a good airdrop for the ZK Sync era network. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.